Hi, Six. This is me going to show you how to print a slug in 3D. This is the filament. This is actual plastic, and then through this big white one, we've got 3 different colours. We've got red, white, and black. And then so this one, you can see where it has this is really small, this is big. It's because it melts into the 3D printer. I'm just going to show you this is how big the thing I'm going to be showing you. It's going to be in time lapse soon. It takes 15 hours. It has 4 hours and 25 minutes left. So first you need to get the model, then you can go and then you have to send it to the slicer, and then the slicer sends it to the printer. First, if you want to get a model, you can get it off Thingiverse. So this is Thingiverse. And then you can create your own if you want to. That takes a while. This is the slicer, but for this printer, it's called the flash print. You can choose to move, you can rotate and scale. And I've done this. You can choose if you want it maximum. Do that. And then you do print. This is what the slicer does. The slicer makes all the slices basically for the 3D printer to print. And this is what you're going to see, but a lot cooler. I'm going to get the 3D printer, open the door, squeeze this thing, push it down a little bit. Like that. This is the slug I'm going to give you guys, because I reckon you guys are going to like it. I'm going to close that. Then all this is a little waft thing. It just makes it easier to get off stuff. Well, this is the bed for the printer. You're gonna get the waft off. Oh Jesus! Come on, get off. Also, you can already see if you can move it. Yes, aha! This is basically how you just make a 3D print. Bye, you